Hello everyone, welcome to the really useful Max Drum Synthesis tutorial. We are going to make some lovely drum machine noises from raw synthesis objects. First up is the kick drum. Let's have a quick gander at the structure of the kick drum that we will build. We start with a square wave. Give it a sharp pitch envelope and add a volume envelope. Then we stick a filter in the middle and apply the envelope to that too. Finally we sprinkle in a bit of white noise and add a nice deep sine tone for good measure. Now then, to get started, open yourself a new patch and put the easy DAC audio output at the bottom and a button at the top. Then let's get a square wave in there with the rect object. For the pitch envelope, we use a line object a bit like this. That's lovely, but we can make a steeper and more specific pitch drop to give it more of a classic kick sound. The line now goes from 1 to 0, exponentially. We scale that into the MIDI range 29 to 109 and then convert it to a frequency. We can also use the dollar notation to make the decay time controllable. That's super. We are going to want to do something similar, but a bit simpler, for the volume envelope. We can copy and paste the line envelope, then change the settings. To neaten things up a bit, put your envelopes in subpatches with the Encapsulate option. Right, now let's add an extra control. This will be our pitch control, which scales the pitch envelope. Great. Now let's put the filter in. We will mostly use the generic SVF filters in these tutorials for simplicity, but the resin object would also do nicely, or if you want something fancier, you could look at the Surreal Machines filters in the package manager. They have some nice analog model filters. We reuse our pitch envelope for the filter, but we add another control so that we can change the scaling if we want. We're nearly there now, but two important additions are the noise and the sine tone. The noise is nice and easy. There we go. The sine tone is also quite simple. We use the cycle object and control it again with that same pitch envelope, adding a third scaling control. There's no point putting the sine tone into the filter. That can go straight to the output. That makes it nice and punchy. Lovely. We can encapsulate the whole thing. Select all the items except for the interface elements and encapsulate it into a subpatch. To round this all off, we're going to create a few quick presets with the pattern storage object and use the nodes object to control it. We add a regular preset object and send it a message to associate it with the pattern storage object. The pattern storage object will save any objects that are flagged for inclusion. The neatest way to do that is to go to the object inspector for each of the 4 number boxes and give them each a scripting name. Something unique for each one. This is a bit time consuming, but it is really good practice to do this. We can then add a blank auto pattern object and the pattern storage can then see and control the elements. Shift-click to save a few font presets. Finally, let's get the nodes object in here too. I am going to pilfer this from the nodes help file, and you probably should too for simplicity. I only have 4 presets, so I am going to need to tweak the load mesh subject to only have the numbers 1 to 4 and then change the nodes inspector so there are only 4 nodes. You can resize a node by holding the Alt key and dragging. Let's see how that sounds. Not so bad, not so bad. Anyway, you can sort out your own damn presets. Ta-ra!